particular thing here sa kanyang arms. Nagagalaw ba to? Oh, nice. Okay. Para hindi mahinder yung articulation. Okay, nice. Cool. Okay. Nahinder pa rin. Tingnan nga natin. Okay. Okay, tumatama siya. So, pag ginalaw nyo to, mas mabibend nyo siya. Okay, that's cool. Alright. That's very nice. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng sound niya. Okay, that's cool. Tapos hands are blue, and then you also have some copper parts here. Okay, meron din siyang Autobot logo on both shoulders. Okay, tapos meron siyang decals na yellow here sa may arms. Sa likod naman, meron din siya some sort of screws, or dito cylindrical na mga sections. Ito parang screws and flat type of screws. And then sa likod, you have the rear armor, blue segment here, some pipes, some hydraulics. Tapos umiikot yung umiikot yung tires. Then you also have the large legs for balance. Tapos ito, alam ko meron ding die-cast part to I think this one is a die-cast, okay? O kaya yung loob. Ganda. Tapos din meron din siya mga hydraulics dito sa part na to. Very cool. Oh, nice. Gumagalaw pa pala yun. Ang daming gumagalaw dito. Ilang points of articulation ba to? 68 daw. 68 points of articulation. Very nice, Yolo Park. Meron silang description dito sa kanyang Yolo Park na page. Okay? In terms of articulation, let's go. It can look up, down, that far. Tapos 360, pwede. Gumagalaw din yung neck. Separate pala yun. Separate piece yun. You can also tilt like that. Okay? Move forward, back. Merong butterfly joint. So you can move the arms forward, back. Tapos ito nakagalaw to part na to sa likod. You can also move this, rotate. Okay? Ito ba gumagalaw ba ito? Ayun, okay. Pwedeng gumalaw. Arms out like that, up, twist or rotate. Ito, you can also move this away for extra movements, 90 degrees. And also, tingnan natin yung manual baka meron pa lang mga gumagalaw. Alright, so waist naman, dito sa part na to, yan, pinakita ko na kanina. Ito din yung ma-remove tong part na to, yung matrix of leadership. It will pop and you can remove that. Okay, for the waist, you can move it slightly like that. Okay, bend. And you can also move forward, up crunch. Very nice. Ang ganda nitong part na to kasi yun nga, very seamless siya. Okay? Hindi siya nagkakaroon ng space.